afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be here to give a talk about the overview of the IC packaging and the encapsulation simulation capability in Moldex3D. I'm the Jim Su from the R&D division. In today's talk, we will try to explore the Moldex3D solution for the IC packaging simulation. This is the content of today's talk. First, we will give you an introduction of the market and technology trend in recent years. Then, we will provide you some of the IC packaging simulation in Moldex3D, from the general solution to advanced packaging solution. Then give you a summary. First is about the market and the technology trend. I think in the past year, all of us are surrounded for the COVID-19 for the disease each day. But right now, the situation is getting better. More and more people get immune and they can have the disease well for the past life. However, it did indeed influence the economy and the industry for the following days for the development. We can see that from 2019 to 2025, the technology roadmap in IC wafer is from the nano scale to the micro scale. In the past, lots of the packages rely on the flip chip technology. But according to the demand for the 3D IC packaging and the fan-out growth in the past years, more and more people and the company move to the new technology we call the fan-out technology. This technology is mainly for the 3D memory, HBM, and the other kind of interposer packaging. So the fan-out packaging right now has increasingly popular. So the market trend is growing slowly on this kind of technology. So lots of people and the company have involved for this kind of technology development. We can see the company from the ACE, Amco, and Huawei and TSMC has their own technology for this kind of development. Many for this kind of technologies focus on two main categories. One is for the low density fan-out, the other is for the high density fan-out for different kind of application.